Good morning, students. I am Richa Sharma, and today I will discuss about your lab assignment number 2 of UHV lab, that is Universal Human Values lab assignment number 2. In the previous lab, already the CO's course outcomes and the mappings and COPO mappings are discussed, and you have done also the lab assignment number 1. So here is your lab assignment 2. There is a rapidly growing danger of nuclear proliferation, arms race, terrorism, breakdown of relation, generation gap, depression, and suicidal attempts, etc. But do you think that the root cause of these threats to human happiness and peace? And what could be the way out, in your opinion? So, what you people are supposed to do in this assignment, you have to write about these dangers. Those are mentioned here in this question. What are these dangers? Basically, how they affect human life, how, human happiness, and human peace. What are the causes of these dangers, and what are the remedies to prevent or avoid these dangers? So, you have to take any 2 or 3 dangers mentioned above, like you can take terrorism, breakdown of relationship, generation gap, or as you like, whichever danger you feel that it is the most important danger for a human life or for the society or for our country. So take the any 2 or 3 dangers mentioned here and explain about them separately. For example, in terrorism, first you will define what a terrorism is. So you can define terrorism is an illegal act which creates a fear among the ordinary people. Like this, you can define the terrorism, and what then you can mention how it affects the human life, human happiness, how it affects our society, how it affects our country, how it affects our economy. You can mention all the above things in your explanation, and then you will mention what are the root causes of developing the terrorism. So you can mention like there are a large number of factors which are responsible for the terrorism, like rapid population growth, politics, society, economy, dissatisfaction with the country system, lack of education or knowledge, bad association, full of preservation. These are there are several causes that are responsible for this terrorism. Then, after explaining those causes, each and every point you will explain in a clear manner, and then after mentioning these causes, you will tell something about the remedies to prevent or avoid these situations like terrorism, generation gap, depression, suicidal attempts. You will mention the remedies of those dangers. Like for terrorism, you can mention that teaching method should be improved to release the stress and tension, inculcate a broader perspective of life value more than race, religion, and nationality, and create a spiritual create some develop some spiritual program which uh, which can reduce the destructive tendencies of a human mind. So in this manner you can provide the solutions for each and every danger that is occurring in our daily life, in our society, in our country, or worldwide. So you have to answer the question in this manner. I hope you all will understand, and if there is any query, you can ask me. And after creating that particular solution, that particular explanation, you have to upload your answers on the Google Classroom. I have uploaded the assignment there. You have to submit your solution there. Okay? Thank you. Thank you so much.